Ultimate Beauty Essential box by Next. I am calling this the December box. But yeah, stay tuned and we'll have a little look-see to see what's in here. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. In today's video we have another unboxing, and it is another unboxing from Next. So yes, they have come out with yet another beauty edit and I had to get it. So we're going to call this one the December Next beauty box. So let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join the YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit the notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. I have a video that I'm going to link here. That video is showing you what's in my future giveaway. So when I get to 2,000 subscribers, I've got 3 amazing prizes. Go have a look at them. Seriously, they're really good. The main prize is the glossy advent calendar. So really happy to be gifting that to somebody, but we need to get to 2,000 subscribers. So share, please share as much as you can with your friends and your family. Get them come and subscribe. So yeah, the other beauty edit that they came out with is called Beauty on the Go box, but the contents of that is only worth £30, but the box cost £12, whereas this one cost a whopping £25. So they do have edits on there that are much expensive, but normally they're monthly beauty boxes, not subscription boxes, don't get confused with that, but monthly boxes that you can go on and buy if you want to, normally cost around £15–20, normally around the £20 mark the last few months. But yeah, this one's 25. But when I saw that it was worth over £105, I thought, bugger it, let's get it. So let's open her up. So in the box we get a little beauty edit card. It has information on all the products that are in here. There is a sneak peek of what's in here. So let's have a proper dig through to see what we've got. Right, so back to the edit card. So there's just a little note in here. So again, this edit is called the Ultimate Beauty Essentials box. Indulge your beauty routine with our edit of the ultimate glow-giving beauty treats. From radiance boosting skincare to soothing foot care, we've got your pampering essentials sorted. The first thing I've pulled out the box is this. So this is by Benefit. Everybody knows who Benefit is, and this is Porefessional Super Setter. Blur pores without dulling your glow with this best-selling setting spray. It refines, refreshes and boosts your skin for makeup that goes the distance. So yeah, fab, I am actually using this spray at the moment, the slightly bigger version, and I am loving it. This one is so cute. You get 15 mils in this one. Oh yeah, it's cute, look at that. Little baby one. But yeah, love that. The second product I've pulled out the box is this. So yes guys, elemis. I love this. Oh my god, it is the Collagen Marine Cream SPF 30. You get 15 mils in here. It just says, a favourite amongst beauty lovers, this 3-in-1 moisturiser helps to improve hydration and firmness while protecting the skin from the sun exposure. A double whammy winner. It certainly is. Oh my god. I'm going to leave this sealed because I think I actually have one of these open as it is, but it's got that typical elemis glorious smell. It is beautiful on the skin. The third thing we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Sanctuary Spa, and it's Ultra Rich Wet Skin Moisture Miracle. It just says, relieve dry, thirsty skin with this in-shower saviour that locks in 5 times more moisture for up to 72 hours. Glowing, supple skin awaits. Ooh, fantastic. So there's 50 mils that you get in here, and it just says long-lasting fragrance. Yeah, great. I love trying stuff in the shower, so that's brilliant. How thick that is. I've put on way too much there. I know it's for the shower, but never mind. I need to play. Oh my god, that smells absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So the fourth item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Beauty Pro, and it is foot therapy. So a little mask for your feet. It just says, if your feet are feeling tired and dry, ours too. Nourish and hydrate stressed out soles with this intense moisture foot treatment. Cool. So it's collagen infused booty So collagen, sweet almond and peppermint. Oh, that sounds actually really, really nice. So yeah, whack it on for 20 minutes. Definitely going to give that a go. So the fifth product we have is this. So this is by the brand called Pi, and it is the Impossible Glow. So for a subtle radiance, add 1 drop to your daily moisturiser, or amp up the glow by dabbing directly to the skin. Oh, okay. There's 10 mils that you're getting here. I'm not gonna swatch it because that actually looks way too dark for me, if I'm honest. And I don't want to waste it unnecessarily when I could pop it in a future giveaway for somebody to enjoy. But that looks very nice. Right, so product number 6 is this. So this is by the brand Balance Me, and this is one of my favourite products by Balance Me. It's Vitamin C Repair Serum. It just says boost your glow with Balance Me's award-winning Vitamin C Repair Serum. Proven to reduce the appearance of pigmentation and uneven skin tone. It works to improve elasticity and glow for a healthy, more youthful looking complexion. So I need buckets of this stuff. But yeah, super happy to get the 7 mils in there. And I'm just trying to, it's been a little while since I've used it. Let's just remind myself. Yeah, it's like a lemon scent, a sweet lemon scent that you get, and it's quite, I think it's quite a strong scent if I'm honest, but it's really, really nice. Product number 7 is this. I don't know if you can see because that packaging is quite dark, but this is by Clinique and it's High Impact Mascara. It just says, for flirty lashes in one sweep, Clinique's Cult Mascara adds maximum volume, length and definition. Oh, what is the brush like? Oh, that's a brush I can get on board with. That looks lovely, really nice. It doesn't look like too wet of a formula either, which is great because I find that quite annoying when a mascara, can't even talk, when a mascara is really wet. So that looks amazing. I can't wait to try that. Product number 8 is this. So this is by the brand eyeko, and when I first looked at this I thought, what are they doing putting 2 mascaras in a box? It's not, it's brow gel. Read Joanne. It just says, let's have a look, naturally defined brows with fluffy, flexible hold using eyeko's beloved brow gel. The botanically enriched formula helps to condition brows for healthy looking arches day after day. Okay, so is it got a colour to it or is it just a clear? Just popping it on there. So it's not really a colour, is it? That's because you rub it and it kind of disappears. How strange. That's bizarre. That's really bizarre. I suppose it would tint the lashes slightly. Obviously you're putting it on. I'm really, really intrigued. I can't wait to try that out. So product number 9 is this. So it's by the brand Nails Inc. and it's nail polish in Mayfair Made Me Do It. It just says, long wear, quick drying and cruelty free. This Nails Inc. varnish is everything you want from a speedy at-home mani. I mean, that is a glorious shade of red. Again, I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to put this in a future giveaway because I've kind of moved on to gel polish now. But that is really, really nice colour. So the last item in the box, product number 10, is this. We have a mini lipstick and it's by the brand Laura Mercier and it's Rouge Essential Silky Cream Lipstick in Rouge Ultimate. Infused with Mediterranean sea algae extract, this pigment-rich lipstick moisturizes, smooths the lips for a high impact colour payoff. Okay, so very, very cute little mini. Oh my god, look at that red. That's beautiful. Let's have a little swatch. So there it is there. Look how pigmented that is. So that's like a, it's like a deep red, but it's a pinky red. That's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. That is the kind of red I would choose rather than like, I don't know, an orangey red. But if I unwind that, that's how much product you get in there. So quite a bit in the mini, I must admit. This is the Ultimate Beauty Essentials box by NYX. This is the December box. What do you think? Right, so personally, I am loving this box. I'm a bit disappointed that it's, yet again, the price has gone up. It's £25. But yeah, it is a very, very nice box indeed. It's just quite unbelievable. That's worth over £105, and there's nothing really big in there at all, is there? But I do like the products that are in there. That's the thing. I think that's the most important thing, isn't it? As long as you enjoy what you're getting, it doesn't matter about the value. But yeah, I really like it. So it's got a massive thumbs up from me. Comment down below, let me know what you think. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!